Okay guys, this is Dodge Charger 2.7 liter, and it's the same as a Chrysler 2.7 engine liter. So this car have an overheating problem. It develops serious overheating, and at the same time the engine is not performing well, cylinder misfiring. So we check it and it has a brown gasket, but let me show you where the bank one cylinder is located. On the right side of the car, if on the passenger side, this is where the bank one is located. Take note about that. And this right side, left side is bank two. So all the time, this is a confusion that convince people. And as you can see, the brown gasket is there. So we are going to change it, then reset the timing to get a correct start. So if you are watching it, if you are finding it difficult to know where the bank one is located, this is pretty cool and easy for you. It's always located at the right side of the car. If you are sitting in the car, the right side is where the bank one is located. So this is how it is, and we are going to move forward to show you the timing procedure. So this is the cylinder head, and you can see there was a problem on the bank 2 which is causing misfiring, and the engine is not stable. A lot of malfunction going on at there, but Eric Otto is going to make it happen. We are going to diagnose it and rectify it, and as you can see, we are going for a new gasket. Then after that, we set it on the go to make it a correct start. So this is how it works. If you are watching this video and you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and click the notification bell to stay updated to get any posts from this platform. So this is how you are going to reset the timing. So the bank one now camshaft always have an arrow. It has a mark. You can see inside there is a deep mark there. So that is how we are going to check it. I will show you also how to align the timing loops, the timing camshaft loops, so that it can make easy for you. So every camshaft has a mark which is easy for this timing. And one thing you have to put in mind that if there is no mark on the crank puller, so always use the cylinder number one to reset the timing to the top dead center, that's TDC, and you are good to go. Put it in mind. You can see there is a deep mark inside there. So what you do is to reset it, and if you open the cover, the chain has a marks. You can see to align them. Let me show you, and let me tell you this: whenever you are resetting a timing, make sure you turn the engine to TVC mark to get the original timing, marks online, so that you can use them easily. If you fail to do so, always you have a problem of aligning the timing. That is the secret about it. So don't trust yourself and don't be overconfident too much. Always make sure you do the right thing at the right time. So these are the camshaft loops for bank 2, and inside there is a deep mark there. So always make sure to align them on top. And this is the exhaust camshaft too. There is also a deep mark there. Make sure to align them on top so that you can get everything easy and get the correct start. This is what we are going to show you. You can see this is a key, but unlike a key, and you can see the deep mark there. Also the camshaft, exhaust camshaft for the bank one also have a key there. It is easy top to top. Then you counted them, turn it to the whatever degree you want to turn to make it happen, to align them. Then you set them, you are good to go. This is pretty cool. You have done it several times. This is one of the easiest timing, but if you don't know the procedure, you may be finding it difficult. I myself use the bank one piston to turn it to this mark. That's more important. If you fail to do so, checking it or making it different way, that's, I don't know how you are going to make it, but that will give you the exact TDC mark top the center, so that it can able to align you, help you to align them, and that's it. So we have done this because I always don't, open the full front cover of this timing. That is why you haven't seen the marks. And if you want to do it like this, make sure you lock the chain both sides. As soon as you leave them, it will, just trigger them under the water crankshaft, and you have to turn them over and over and over and over and over again before you can get the marks on the chain to align them. So I have a way of doing it, but if maybe it will be very difficult for you to align them without the original marks, I can